excessive penalty for a full stop against the bottom test of the number 19. Laps to go in the race. Gordon Shetton is trying to find an inch somewhere to get alongside Adam Morgan, but Adam Morgan is not giving you one, so the BMW the race has even got going here, but it's a mega start for Tom Ingram, who has fired himself into the lead of the race from pole position. And then we've got the first of the Charles 50. Morgan is fourth in the second start on 15 and Sutton and just taking the air ducting calling out. The engine was just getting hot and we've had to retire, so it's a shame. 0 dear, sorry for into a tag, into a sideways half spin coming out of McLean. Plays off, goes forward one more. Accelerated the team to the start. Wide coming out of Redgate down through Hollywood for the first time, but the perfect start for Jake Hill. He gets down into the old head throttle. Yeah, I thought it looked like he just hadn't got the power when it came in. He wasn't exactly rushing in, so poor old Dan Rowbottom. After such a good season.
I've seen a black flag.
You've seen a black? You just saw the black flag.
Okay. I can still see it as well.
Okay.
Let me go over this.
That. Meanwhile, the triple.
I'll say it again. Yeah. Welcome to the BTCC.
Yes, life is never straightforward. Now Chilton is coming towards you. That's a bit of a problem out there on circuit. That'll be the end of it.
Hamilton is 10th, Taylor Smith is 11th, Photo's 12th.